Hello my wonderful friends, welcome back to my tutorial channel. In this video I want to quickly show you how to verify or how to detect a fake voter's card, how to know a fake PVC. The permanent voter's card, INEC has given us a website where you can verify if it is fake or not. This is the same site the bank use when you want to open an account. If you give them your voter's card, this is the site they will use to detect if the voter's card is fake or if it is real. Now, if you want to detect if voter's card given to you by someone else is fake or not, you visit this website. Let me type the website out so that you will see the site. Let me type it on WhatsApp. Okay, is it already? Let me delete it and post again. This is the site. The site is cvr.inecnigeria.org/vvs. If you visit this website like this, for example, if you click on it as it is like this, it will open this page for you. Welcome to voter verification service. Now, to check if the voter's card is fake, select the state of that voter's card. In my own case, I'm from Anambra State. I will pick Anambra State, pick my local government, Onitsha North. Then I will put in my last name. Put in my last name. My last name is Emmalex. I put in my first name, which is Emmanuel. I'll select my day of birth. I was born on 26. I'll select my month. My month is September. Then I'll select my year. I'll select my year of birth. Then I will check I am not a robot. I will click on check status. You see, if it is okay, if it is not fake, if it is real voter's card, it will fetch the person's information. You can see voter information found. You see the person's full name, Emmalex Emmanuel. You see the person voter's ID number. You see the state. You see the local government. You see the ward where the person is from and the polling unit where the person can vote and so on. This is how to check or verify voter's card, whether it is fake or real. There's another way you can check also. You can check using the VIN. You can check using the VIN. Let's go back to the site. Now, if you scroll down to this site, at the end you will see check using VIN. If you don't know the person's date of birth, or maybe the date of birth is not clear in the voter's card, it has wiped off, click on this check status using VIN. Here you now select the state as well. The state is compulsory, Anambra State in my case. Local government is Onitsha North. My last name is Emmalex. Then you put the VIN number. You can put the full VIN number, or they say enter your full VIN number or the last 5 digits of your VIN. Now my last 5 digits is what I'm going to enter now. I'll enter 41714 and I'll click on I'm not a robot. I'll click on check status. It will still fetch that same details. You can check it using the person's date of birth or checking the VIN. The voter's card has a serial number called VIN. It is at the back and also at the front of the voter's card. So this is how to verify a fake voter's card. I'll also do another video on how to verify a fake or real national ID card using the NIM number. So use this medium to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post that video, you'll be notified. And also if we post other videos about tutorials, you'll be notified. Don't forget to share this video. If you have any comment, use the comment section to ask your questions or contribute if you have any contribution. And now if you have questions, I will use the comment section to reply you. Thank you for being part of my channel. Do have a lovely day. I'm your friend, Emmalex Emmanuel. Thank you.